This is the old filter out of my Transit. This could be why your Transit is running rough, lacking power, or struggling to start. The fuel filter is on the passenger side behind the front wheel. If you look up under, you'll see it. Pop the wire off first, grab hold tight, and turn it anti-clockwise. It only turns a little bit and then it becomes free. Give it a wiggle and it'll pop down and out. Make sure you've got a bucket there to catch the diesel because obviously it'll be full of diesel. You can already see the old filter there is looking a bit dark. That means it's all clogged up with rubbish and debris out of the fuel system over the years. I don't know when the last time this one was changed. So this is our new one. We're just going to unbox it here. As you can see, it comes with a new seal. You get a nice clean white filter. We'll just pop it out of the bag here with our nice clean gloves, put the seal to one side, and then we're going to compare it to the old filter. Obviously it looks really clean. The old filter doesn't look very clean. So there we go. You get a new little seal, so that's just easy enough to remove from the housing. You just pop the old one out, pop the new seal on, and then we're just going to rub a bit of diesel around it just so it goes back up in a bit easier when we put it back up in the socket like underneath. The filter actually goes in, and it only goes in one way. There's actually an arrow on the casing you can see, and that marries up with an arrow on the top of the filter. You can see as you turn it slightly, it just locks in. So it only goes one way, but you have to be a bit careful with it. There he is, locked in, and you can see the arrow on the top pointing to the arrow on the side. So that indicates how it goes in. And then we just slot it back up in the housing, make sure everything's got a little bit of diesel on it so it's not going to be dry. Push it up in, turn it clockwise, that's like 1/8 of a turn, plug the sensor back in. And then an important bit is to purge the fuel system. So all we're doing is just sitting in the cab, turn the ignition on, wait 10 seconds, turn it off, do the same again, then you can fire her up.